Today I'm going to show you how to make this low-carb creamy ham and lentil soup. It's really tasty on a cool evening like tonight. Okay, so you're going to need 1½ cups of lentils, 32 ounces or 946 ml of chicken stock. We've got here ½ cup each of diced onion and diced celery. Then you need 12 ounces, which is 340 grams of ham diced. Now in Australia, I can only find it shredded. I've just gone back through and given it a little rough chop to kind of make it more like diced. Next, you're going to need ½ cup of carrots. It says sliced. I just chunked it the same as my diced vegetables. And then also red bell pepper or capsicum. ½ cup of that diced as well. Then you'll need 3 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of sea salt and a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Just a little bit of olive oil for sauteing your vegetables. So the first thing you want to do with your lentils is just carefully pick through them. Now I spread them out and I go through them. I've already done that, just to make sure there's not any stones or any odd things in there. And now we're going to very thoroughly rinse them. I've added my chicken broth to the slow cooker already, and now my lentils, which has been thoroughly rinsed, are going to go in as well. Now we're going to turn the slow cooker on low, cover that, and we're going to add more things in a minute, but we want to go ahead and cook the onion and celery first. Okay, so I've got a medium-sized saute pan here on medium heat, and I've got a little bit of olive oil in there. I'm just going to add the onion and celery. So we're just going to cook these until they're crisp tender, so till they're just starting to get tender, but not mushy at all. So we'll add these to the slow cooker. Now you're basically going to add everything else except the cream. So that's 3 cloves of minced garlic, or about 3 teaspoons. Our remaining vegetables. And about a teaspoon each of the salt and pepper. And then of course the ham. Stir that all up, cover it, and leave it cook on low for 4 to 6 hours. Then we're going to add the cream and cook it another hour. Okay, so that's been 4 hours. I'm just going to uncover that, give it a stir. It smells really good. Now, the last step is to add that ½ cup of cream. Stir that in. Now it says to cover it up and cook it for another hour. I'm just going to try a couple of the veggie chunks and the lentils there. Everything's quite tender. I don't really see why it needs another whole hour. I'm just going to leave it another 10-15 minutes or so and we'll check it. I think it'll be quite good then. That's been another 15 minutes. Oh, and that looks really good. I'm going to go ahead and plate some up. So there you have it, a low-carb, creamy ham and lentil soup. And it's really tasty. I do hope you give it a try.